Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making Southern sweet potato pie. For our ingredients, we have homemade pie crust, we have sweet potatoes, butter, light brown sugar, eggs, evaporated milk, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, ground ginger, salt, white sugar, and instant vanilla pudding. I use that for my binder. Here we're adding our butter, brown sugar, white sugar, our evaporated milk, your 2 eggs, we're adding in nutmeg, ground ginger, and the instant vanilla pudding mix. You want to add your vanilla extract and your cinnamon. And you want to add your salt. We're going to mix everything together. And we're going to pour it into our homemade pie crust. You want to bake your pie at 375 degrees from anywhere from 40 to 45 minutes. You want to remove your pie from the oven and you want to allow it to cool for at least an hour. We have made Southern sweet potato pie my way. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.